Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. My name is Oluwashina Hoyenero, and today we're going to be considering the second part to our introduction to Python tutorial. In our previous videos, we defined Python as a general purpose programming language created by Gideon Van Rossum in 1991. So we further talk about in the first video we talk about the key features of Python as a high level programming language that supports functional style, the procedural part. We talk about how to install Python. We move ahead by writing our first program, which is hello world. We consider various things like the Python syntax, the data type and loop. We talk about functions and Python libraries. So in this second part of this video today, we will be talking about dictionary, tuples, sets, list comprehension, error handling, file handling, and how you are going to install external libraries uh, on your Python. So stay tuned and follow me in the next couple of slides as we dive into this. If this is the first time you are watching my video, I will encourage you to watch the first part of this video, then this one that I'm currently introducing to you, and you're going to love it. I would like you to subscribe, like, and share with your colleagues. Thank you. See you in my subsequent slides. About dictionary. So what are dictionaries? Dictionaries are being used when we need to store a structured data. Take for instance, let's declare person. We're going to agree with that person is going to have a name of name. My name is Washi. But don't forget that this name is string, so I have to sorry that they need to have a comma because I'm having so I have an age and my age, let us know my age is 15, but because this is an integer, I don't need to put it. I have a gender and I am male. So, and of course, I live in a city. So, okay, let us know my city is Winnipeg. So, here I already declare a dictionary and I'm closing it with a corner bracket. Now, I have the name and I have the value, the age, I have the value, the gender, uh, and the city. So, no, okay. See, this is what we have. I can tell the system to print. I want it to print person for me. See, I have all the names. What if, yeah, there is something else I can do. I can tell this to print name. So here I will just add a square bracket. I will have name. So print name. See, there is an error here. So why do we have the error? Print first and okay. You see the bracket I use is not a square bracket. So that is why we have the error. Okay. Oh, I did not close the bracket here. So see this. Okay. I have the name. What if I want to print more than a single attribute? I can do this by adding my request. So I will only add a comma here, put this here. What I want to print now, version. Okay. This is how dictionary works. Like one of the thing I want to talk about is So I want to talk about stuff. Yes. Yeah. So this is what I want to talk. So here, this is how you're going to detect tuple. Tuple is often used when you know that you have a fixed variable. It cannot be changed no matter the circumstance. Let's take for instance coordinate. So let's assume I have a coordinate 10.0, 5.0, 14.8, sorry, 14.5, that's 17.9. So this is coordinate. So I run this code, nothing is going to happen, but I can print the element of this coordinate. And this is where you're going to remember that I told you that when you're doing something like, you're going to record that it's an index. So the index number of 0, this is 1, this is, and this is 3. So let's see. Things, coordinates. So I'm printing coordinates, and the coordinate I want to print this time, the coordinate 0. Okay, okay. Now there is an error in what I have. So my coordinate here carry s, whereas this doesn't carry s. What I have to add s. I add s. What if I want to print more than one coordinate? So what I have to come here, I copy them and add a comma. So I want to print coordinate 30, 0, 1, 30, x 30. Okay. This is how coordinate work Python. Sorry, tuple works in Python. So one other thing I would have to talk about is x. So set. Let's take for instance, I have a foot as my set, and this time around from our elementary mathematics, we're going to use a column bracket. So let's say I'm turning, I have a set of foods which happens for a month. I have set of other than mango, I have banana, I have orange, I have orange. Okay, let's assume this is my set. So see, so I can print this as well using the same method. Print, yeah, print. So this is how I can do this. For now, I want you to see this. What if here, okay, let's declare something else. Using the same, I'm going to declare true, and I'm going to duplicate something. Let's duplicate banana. So, and I run it. What if I say it should print? Okay. You see, when it return this food to me, it only return one banana. But when I declare it here, I have two banana. Okay? One, and this is the second. So what I'm trying to show you here is that whenever you are using set, you cannot duplicate the variable. Okay, let me show you something in mathematics. Let's say I have A to be equals 1, 3, 4, and 5, and I have my B equals, if my B equals uh, 8, 7, 8, 1, 2. Okay, now I can print the element of this set. Let's take for instance in mathematics we have something we call union. So let's see the union of this set. So sorry, I want the union of A and Ch. A and so let's you see the only element that is common in both is 1 and 2. So this is how why we have 2 and this is how set. Okay, so one other thing I would like to talk about is comprehension. Okay, what we use comprehension for is when we want to perform a sequence of a particular operation on a series of or sequence of so and do it all at a so let us do like A plus uh, S. So what this code is going to find all the numbers for 10 started from 2 and it's going to square them. And going look at this. So the first thing is going to do fetch all the figures showing the 0 and 9. So each of the figures is square. Started from 0, 0 square is 0, or 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16, 5 square is 25. So this is what extension instead of need to actually okay. One other thing I want to talk about error and let's see try so try except execution type that and choose to avoid it. This is try. Let us know what I want to uh C was type. Ideally we know that it should not be defined in any type zero. I'm going to try except should error. So this is the thing. Let me say okay if this app I want to print and not specified by zero but not allowed by zero. However, finally, finally, I want to print uh, okay. So let's see. Okay, C is equals to 10 divided by. We all know that we cannot divide 10 by. Okay, let's try it. Divided by. See, zero division error. You cannot divide by. Cannot divide by. For here, I am able to avoid this kind of error by telling the computer, okay, cannot divide by. I will rather print. So this is the method to avoid and error. So what I want to talk about next file handling. So how do you handle file? So let me give you an example. File is equals to open and I have a file I can okay, I have the file on my desktop. I have sample.txt. I want to open that file for me. What do I want? I want to read the file. Don't just read the file. Print the content. And after you print the content, I need you to close it. I need this. Let's run this. So this is the content of that file. Welcome to my Python, my desktop. Yeah, welcome, welcome. Then create a file location of the file, and I find it click file. And then welcome. So I would like to talk about object oriented programming, or let me skip my next. So I'm going to be doing it object. So in Python, I work with external library, and what this want to think is an external library of so for what you need to do with type library like a mentor of that. So pipe is a kind of uh, built-in framework that allow you to store external data. Let's run direct. What I really want to do that requirement already right. I already have the so so however I can upgrade and it's already made syntax I want to create type of create that Python uh, second tab tab of just data from then watch out like like typing type and shade